Looks at everything.
And it's Corvette?
I didn't see his Corvette.
It's Corvette? Oh, you just that's how we met. Well, we knew each other, but I see somewhere. No! I did it. He fucking hit a deer with his Corvette. And I took pictures of it and put it on What the Fuck Springfield. Well, he's on What the Fuck Springfield. He saw that. People are like, dude, what happened to your car? Everyone started messing. He hit a fucking deer.
Oh, is that how you met him?
No, but like I just didn't see him at the yard. Or see him. So we're going straight?
Yeah.
Oh, I know where it's at.
Yeah, it's right there.
I know where it's at. Yeah,
Take it easy, dude, man. These fucking people run lights. Right here. There it is. You gotta go on this side because we're gonna go around.
What? Where that truck is?
Yes,
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's already busy.
You can just make it.
It's already busy. You want to wait?
Yeah, that's okay. They're fast, dude. Tim was there like 5 minutes. That's why, see, they got the buy one, get one. They're going to send the cops over here right now, though. And we got to be like, Tim, I don't know what I'm going to get. I just get it all that.
We're going to get fucking hit.
Yeah, man, let's do it. I pass by this place every day.
So I just showed the picture saying, I want this one?
Yeah, I don't want that one. You don't like caramel, do you?
Bosses do what they want,
Suckers do what they can.
I'm feeling like Tarzan. Got a pocket full of money and I'm confident. Gotta get some landed cognac and some Romulan. Some Romulan? Yeah, some
Hey, see if they got a menu.
My strand of choice is sativa. When she was young, she wasn't looking
on the thing.
Making good for example. Now she looking right.
But I don't want to be like Tim.
How you getting wet?
Yeah, that guy would have said, fuck you, motherfucker. I would have got his drink and threw it on him. This is my last day here now. Fuck you. You know. I don't know. We got time. Here, 7 Brew menu. What they got here? We can download the menu.
Is that what you're doing?
Check our full menu. Yeah, we're going to check our cookies. 7.
Okay, which way they're going? Are they going that way or this way? That way, this way. This way, that way.
Whoa, take it easy there, sweet holy. Okay, I'm downloading the menu. How do I...
What?
It says you don't have enough memory.
What the fuck did you do?
I downloaded the menu.